guys, assalamu alaikum. I am Ryan. Today I will show you how to check any website page on page SEO, the problems, the audits. Now for the first, you can come in Google search bar, then search extension which is named SEO Quark extension. Then go the first website which is named by Chrome Web Store. Then you can see I already install it and activate. To show you, I remove from the Chrome. After removing, you can see they suggest me to add the SEO Quark extension in my Chrome, so I will do this. Then click in add extension. It takes few seconds. You can see the SEO extension bar is already active. Then if you want to see it all time, so pin it. Then go the website which is your website or your client website for the result. Let's see, here is my website. Then you want to go to SEO Quark extension, then go diagnosis. Then you can see every result, everything which you need for on page SEO audit or page audit. You can see the URL, canonical tag, meta description, heading, image alternative, text HTML ratio, frames, flash, micro formats, and other all things. If you think it helps you, please subscribe to my channel and like the video and put a comment which you want. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.